guys, so I added stuff to Professor Meow. Now he has a hat. It says diamond sharp blades. And then look, and then I also named him a collar, Professor Meow. So now, yeah, it turns out that when I picked him up earlier, I picked him up and I shook it. Whoa. There's something in there. This is what was in his hat, but there's something inside of him. So this is kind of crazy. So I was just gonna show you what was inside of him right now, but I gotta go get scissors. Alright, so back, guys. So all we have to do is flip him over. So I did put some stuff onto him. I did this, so. Whoa, wait. Why should we name you? Look. And then there's some more little organs under there, but look at that. He's in here. He's like a little baby, though. This is cute. I don't know what Professor Meow wanted to name him, but we're going to have to name him later. I'm just going to close up the box. Alright, so basically this is operating on it. So we just got his baby. I don't know what this is. It's not pregnant because I told it that it's a boy. So this must have been, I put it in there. And I want to show you guys my new character. So here he is. I put him in there so I can show you guys this in an exciting way. So I actually have to go to the bathroom. I'll close him up. Next video, I'll show you where I get to put this. We haven't actually named this guy. We might name him Tootie. And we might name him Subscriber. Or, no, we're going to name him Tootie. Or OP. OP? OP? OP Monster? Maybe OP Monster? So we might name OP Monster and Professor Meow. So OP Monster, Professor Meow. I'll show you where OP Monster is. So, see you guys. Bye. Stay OP.